Hello guys, today's video topic is how to say I don't like it in Italian. I will tell you 5 sentences with exact Italian pronunciation to say I don't like it. Let's start the video. And the first sentence is very common in Italian. It is non mi piace. Non mi piace. It's mean I don't like it. It is very common, but it's for friends and family member. Non mi piace. And second sentence is non mi attira. Non mi attira. It's mean it does not appeal me. It is very decent way to say I don't like it. You can say non mi attira. Third sentence is very simple and easy. Non mi va. Non mi va. I don't feel like it. Non mi va. Next is non fa per me. Non fa per me. It's not for me. Non fa per me. Last sentence is non mi convince. Non mi convince. It's mean it does not convince me. It does not convince me. Non mi convince. If you like my videos, then don't forget to press like and subscribe button. Thank you.